How to connect AvaTrade to MT5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your AvaTrade account to MT5. The process is simple, but you need to set up the correct type of account first. Inside AvaTrade, go to the top right corner and tap the drop-down arrow. Next to Accounts, tap See All. I'll create a demo account for this example, but the steps are the same for a real account. Tap Add an account, then choose the account type. Make sure you select an MT5 account, not MT4. Pick your base currency, tap Submit, and AvaTrade will create the account. Once the account is created, you'll see your MT5 login number, your server, and you'll use the same password you used to log into AvaTrade. For my MT5 account here, I can see the server name and login number clearly. Make sure to note those. Now open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Go to File in the top left corner and click Open an Account. Search for AvaTrade, press Enter, and the available AvaTrade servers will appear. Select the server that matches the one shown in your AvaTrade account. Click Next. At the bottom, choose Connect with an existing trade account. Enter your login number and password exactly as shown in your AvaTrade details. Choose whether it's a demo or real account. I'm connecting a demo account here. Click Finish. Just like that, your AvaTrade account is now successfully connected to MT5. Thanks for watching.